Federal Reserve officials with the power to set interest rates and offer bailouts that again move markets are trading stocks in the same companies they're supposed to oversee. And if you think it's just a few people here and there, you are sorely mistaken. Forget Wall Street. This is the real insider trading that slipped right underneath your nose. September 28, 2021. The Wall Street Journal releases a shocking report that 131 federal judges heard cases where they had financial interest in between 2010 and 2018, and suddenly, it opened the floodgates. 685 cases heard over 8 years, and 2/3 of those cases, they ruled in the favor of the judge's financial interests. The amount of research the article must have took is mind-blowing. Unlike politicians, federal judges don't need to disclose their financial records. They can't be found online, and requesting them means telling the judge you're looking into their finances. It's one of the reasons no one did it before. What lawyer is going to put their name on a financial report request when they may need to argue a case in front of that same judge in the future? 131 judges, knowingly or unknowingly, traded stocks in the companies involved in their cases. But it wasn't the only shocker. Because once the Wall Street Journal released their reports, people started to notice other federal employees doing the same thing. Less than a month after the report was released, a request was put in for an investigation into Federal Reserve officials doing the same thing. Turns out more than 3 high-level people at America's money printer made suspicious trades during the time the Fed was responding to the pandemic. Those officials resigned and had to sell their stocks. No prison time, no fine, just a slap on the wrist. And the federal judges? Well, they have more wiggle room to explain their conflicts away. And here's how you can do it yourself.